Hi everyone. This is your announcement for Philosophy 101. Today is March 4th, and it is officially the midpoint of the semester, or they call midterm of the semester. And we're just moving right along here. Okay, so first of all, I need to let you know, confession, I am behind on grading your work, and I apologize for that. So this week I'll be working feverishly to get caught up, to grade the work that you completed in Module 2.2, your Descartes presentations, which I know you worked very hard on, and so I will be grading those carefully, and also the work that you completed in Module 2.3. So my apologies. Please, I appreciate your patience. I will get on it. Now for you, you keep moving on. And so you are now in Module 3, which is on a new question. So we're looking at a new question, which is, has the universe any plan or purpose? So this is a big question, like all of our questions are, and you're going to be looking at two different texts, very different texts with very different ideas. The first philosopher you'll be studying is Aristotle, and that'll be for this week. And then next week you're going to move on and study Charles Darwin, and we're going to spend 2 weeks with Darwin, and you'll have another little special project to do. But for this week, and this is all in the Module 3 overview and objectives page, you're going to read a text which is not written by Aristotle. Okay, it's actually a chapter from a textbook by Donald Palmer, who is writing about Aristotle. So this is the one time you're not actually going to read the philosopher, you're going to read about the philosopher. And that is Aristotle. And the only reason why is because Aristotle is just really hard. And I just decided hopefully students will get more out of it if I have you read this portion of a textbook, which I think is very helpful. So that will be, that's one thing that you're doing this week. And then the other learning activity is I have a video commentary, or kind of a video lecture on teleology. Okay, so this is a very important video lecture. So you're going to need to read what's in the text, okay, from the Palmer book, and also watch my video commentary. And so what I talk about is a more extended discussion of teleology, which is not included in the textbook. Okay, so it's very important that you do all of that. Okay, so there is a self check quiz, which is due on March 6th, and then there is a discussion which will be due on March 10th. Okay, so that's what we're up to for this week. Now, I want to thank everyone who wrote in that you had watched last week's announcement. That made me very happy. In fact, there was still someone who posted last night that they had watched the announcement, and that's cool. I think the main thing is, as long as you watch it, sometime before the next week's announcement comes out, then that's okay. But the idea is to watch it right away, so that you get the information that I give you to help you on that week's work. Okay, but thank you to everyone who wrote in that you watched the announcement. Okay, so this week there's a little bit of a bonus, not a little bit, there is a bonus kind of extra credit opportunity for those of you who watched this announcement, and it has to do with coffee. Okay, for some reason, philosophers and coffee just go together, and I'm not sure why that is. So I want to ask you to answer a question, and if you answer the question, there's no right or wrong, just like philosophy, there's no right or wrong answer. But if you send me an email with your answer, I will award you one more point on your self-check quiz. Okay, so the question is, there's two questions. One, why do you think philosophers need to drink so much coffee? And then number two, do you drink coffee? And if you do, where's your favorite place to get your coffee? Okay, so that's a little bonus credit assignment for this week for those of you who take the time to watch this announcement. Okay, so that's it. I'm done for this week. I'm going to get to work because I got a lot of work to do. And again, thank you for your patience, and I'm not going to get behind again. Okay, thanks a lot. I'll see you next time.